Hubei Huifengda Furniture Company Limited is located in Wuhan City, Hubei Province, China. This is our transportation hub in the central region of China, and it's an important city at the junction of the Yangtze River Economic Belt, often referred to as the thoroughfare to 9 provinces. Yangluo Port in Wuhan is adjacent to our production base, with a distance of only 70 kilometers. Yangluo Port is the largest deep-water port on China's inland rivers, equipped with a well-established container transport system, providing convenient waterway transportation conditions for our furniture export business. Wuhan is inland port. The nearest main port, Shanghai Port. Huifengda focuses on furniture manufacturing and export business, with a diverse product line, including leather and fabric furniture, PE Renton furniture, aluminum furniture, furniture cover, sketch cushion, etc. We provide customized services for our customers, with each product embodying unique design concepts and exquisite craftsmanship. In the international market, we adhere to strict standardized processes to ensure product quality and export compliance. Huifengda's factory in Hubei covers an area of over 45,000 square meters, with more than 15,000 square meters of production workshops and a 6,000 square meter warehouse. In our future development, we will continue to expand our production facilities, increase production capacity, and to meet the growing market demands. Huifengda adheres to a rigorous quality management philosophy, ensuring strict control at every stage, from product design, CAD drawing, 3D modeling to automated painting lines, and CNC drilling machines. We have a highly skilled production team that has raised the product qualification rate to over 99%. Through close coordination in workshops such as welding, polishing, weaving, sewing, and packaging, we ensure that every piece of furniture meets high-quality standards. Additionally, we regularly audit and optimize the production process to meet the requirements of international quality management systems. Huifengda's packaging workshop is clearly divided into zones, including a defect product area, a qualified product area, and a waiting for inspection area, ensuring well-organized goods. The warehouse has neatly stacked goods with ample storage capacity to meet various order requirements. To enhance logistics efficiency, we have established strategic partnerships with several well-known logistics companies to ensure timely delivery of goods. With extensive experience in foreign trade, Huifengda products are exported to regions including Europe, America, Australia, Asia, etc. Huifengda consistently upholds corporate social responsibility, focusing on environmental protection, employee welfare, and social welfare. We use recycled materials in some of our products, which have obtained GRS certification. Additionally, our factory undergoes annual BSCI or SEDEX certifications. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. We always believe in quality first, customers first, reputation first, service first. All of our staff will do efforts to work with you in win-win. We are looking forward to cooperating to you.